Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Manal Imran from your department microbiology and today I am going to present you on a topic which is very common for everyone because many people have suffered from this during their student life or during their office or formal or informal conversations while giving presentation or in a debate or things like that. So, my topic is hesitation. Why you can't speak English without hesitation while you are good in English writing, in grammar, and also what the reason behind why we can't speak English fluently. So, according to my research, there are two main reasons. First is our passive and active vocabulary. So you can see this big yellow circle is our passive vocabulary. By saying passive vocabulary, I mean that passive vocabulary are those words which we know, but we do not use those words very commonly or regularly in our conversation. So these words might be disappear from our memory. And this green circle is active vocabulary. Active vocabulary is those words which we use regularly in our daily conversation or in any conversation or in any presentation, thing like that. So now what happened when we talk and think of passive vocabulary word, then it take time to like what is this word? It's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't quite get it. That's a feeling. And also that's why you always forgot your words while you are speaking or giving a presentation. So the second thing is when we talk in our native language like Sindhi, Urdu, or in other language, we have to just think and we have to think and then speak. But when we talk in English language, we have to think in our native language and then translate into English language and then speak. So problem is this translation phase. We have to cut this translation phase to speak English fluently. So how can we cut this translation phase? So we can cut this translation phase by thinking and speak in English. Think in English and speak in English, both together. Don't think in your native language and then translate it into English. Just try to think in English. Let's come to let's come that how can you improve your spoke English speaking skills. So some people might have problem that they forgot their words while giving a presentation or in any conversation. So this is due to the nervousness. This is due to the nervousness and the hesitation. So first of all, don't be hesitate. Don't think that people are laughing on you. Take a deep breath. Try to make eye contact with your audience. Try to speak clearly, loudly, and confidently. I know it's hard, but just at least give it a try. Try to speak. For practice, try to speak in an empty room because in an empty room there is no one to listen you. No one is laughing on you. So you can overcome your hesitation to speak in an empty room. Choose a random topic and just try to speak. Or you can also record your voice. Record your voice and then pause it and then listen it and correct your mistake. Increase your speed with perfect pronunciation. Or you can also watch or listen any podcast or conversation. It will really help you to thought and express your ability. So how it works. So when you are listening or watching English conversation, just try to repeat those dialogue in your way of speaking. It will really help you to improve your English speaking skills. Or you can also start journaling because journaling is a very good habit to adopt. By mean journaling, I say that like write about your daily routine or some random thing in a way of speak and also think in English. Just uh, think, just pick a random topic and think in English, and then write in your diary or something like that. So now that's all about it. I hope that you guys learn many things from my presentation, and if you guys follow those steps which I told you, so might be your speaking skill will be good. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.